Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a follower of this channel, then you know that I like semiconductor stocks. I mean, I've been making a killing off of Nvidia recently, and if you're an owner of that company, if you bought into that stock, then you're sitting happy today. But today I want to show you a new company that's been making waves in the semiconductor and computer design systems industry, and that is Cadence Design Systems. Specifically, in this video, we're going to look at how Cadence is leveraging AI to redefine the future of tech and what that means for us as investors. And they may be partnering with Nvidia, so that's super exciting news. But let's jump into it. First, I want to show you what the performance of this stock has been over the last few months. Specifically, in the last 12 months, they're up 60%. Yeah, 60% in 12 months. That's astounding. Just since January 1st, the stock is up 12%. And that begs the question, what is driving this growth? Well, it's their latest innovation, the Millennium M1 AI supercomputer. Just look at the stock graph and you can see how this company has exploded over the last 5 years, up over 400% at the time of making this video. But let's talk about that Millennium M1 that just came out. It was actually just announced in early February, and it is a powerhouse supercomputer system that utilizes GPUs from leading providers. Now, if you don't know what a GPU is, very simply, GPUs are just graphics cards. Just graphics cards for computers. But the most exciting thing is that Cadence is hinting at partnering with Nvidia, which is super awesome. If you are an investor in Nvidia, like I said a second ago, then you are very happy. Nvidia's been blowing up. It's all over the news. And Nvidia is a titan, the titan in the GPU systems industry. But you know what? It's not just about boasting powerful hardware. It's about setting a new standard in chip design. And this is propelled by their capabilities in artificial intelligence. So let's take a look at that power, the power of AI in chip design. So the Millennium M1 isn't just any supercomputer, but it's actually a server that's designed to turbocharge computational fluid dynamics, or CFDs. This tech is actually crucial for designing things like car engines, jet engines, industrial processes even. Cadence's platform enables engineers to create what is called digital twins. Digital twins simulate how products will perform in real-world conditions before they're ever built. It's essentially a digital prototype, so you're able to build out the system for way cheaper in a digital realm and before you ever bring it to the physical world. It's a game changer for efficiency and innovation in product development. Okay, let's talk about Cadence's competition. With the launch of the Millennium, Cadence isn't just maintaining its leadership in semiconductor design software anymore. They're potentially gaining significant edge over their competitors, specifically competitors like Synopsys. Synopsys is actually taking on debt right now as they're acquiring a simulation software provider, Ansys. And so this may be a great opportunity for Cadence to jump ahead of the competition. Cadence is positioned, guys, uniquely in the market, and it's because of two things. First of all, it's their focus on integrating chip design with mechanical processes. And the second thing is that they actually have very strong financial health. Just taking a look at some of these graphs here, this first one shows that shows their revenue and their operating margin over the last few years, and you can see that as their revenue has increased, their operating margin has increased as well to about $4 billion. So that's where they're sitting at currently. Now, on the second graph here, this is their long-term debt and their short-term investments slash cash. And you can see that this is pretty healthy over the last few years again. They haven't taken on a lot of long-term debt, but they've kept that as minimal as they can. Right now they're sitting on about $650 million in long-term debt. And then they have, in short-term investments in cash, they have about 1.13 billion. All right, so let's talk about that investment thesis. So with stellar performance, the stock is trading at about 50 times expected earnings for 2024. That kind of makes this stock a premium pick. So the valuation is quite steep, and although that valuation is high, the company's innovation and their solid market position justified a closer look, which is why I made the video. I haven't actually bought in on Cadence yet. I do buy a stock every single week. I make a video about it. I usually post them on Tuesdays, and it's on the video series Why I Just Bought. And I show you what I'm buying this week and why I'm buying it. So if you want, tune in tomorrow for that video. Now, if you're thinking about adding Cadence to your portfolio, what I would suggest is a dollar cost averaging strategy for 2024, just because the price is so high. And what that is essentially you're splitting up your buys over a regular time interval so that your price is averaged over a time frame. So instead of saying, hey, I'm going to put in $1,000 today, maybe you split it up into 10 payments, and every week you put in $100 for 10 weeks. And what that does is it gives you that average price instead of potentially buying at a high and then seeing your investment drop immediately, which nobody likes. Cadence Design System is at the forefront of combining AI with semiconductor design. They offer a glimpse into the future of technology and investment opportunities. But as always, guys, do your own research and consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest in tech stocks. Until next time, keep investing smartly. We'll see you later.